Well, hey guys, hey, me and Jay are out today, and I got him down the homeless camp. You've seen some of the videos, and far and few between, but he just got an engine. 1887. Too bad I weren't a 77. Very nice. Well, I'll turn you back on. Next good thing. Hey guys, me and Jay still out here at Colonial Homeless, I call it. This is my target. I don't know if you can see it. Smacking right there. Get a silver. And looks like it's gonna be Washington. Yeah. Yep. What's the date? I'm gonna have a date. 2002.
You didn't even show him my silver.
No, 1943. And Jay got a silver too. Okay. He didn't get a coin, but we'll see what Jay's got. Some kind of Art Deco fancy thingamajiggy. And there you go. We don't know what it's all from. It's just something cool. Alright. Anything else? I'll turn you back on. Hey guys. A hole right beside that quarter. We just pulled a nice flat button. Got the shank. Alright, anything else, I'll get back to you. Hey guys, things are turning around, I guess. Jay got another Indian. And let's see, zoom right in. There you go. 1888. Nice. On a roll, on a roll. I got the first button though. Well, I can't say that. Jason did when we were at school. But
first hole of the day was the button.
What we're doing is hunting up along this stone wall, and everything seems to be out in here. But anything else cool, I'll turn you back on. If not, I'll see you at the wrap up. 603. And it to win it like Jay, we got an Indian. Zoom in. She's a little toasty. Up here. Trying to find me. But yeah, let me clean it up and we'll see what the date is. Hey guys, Jay got him some silver for today. He actually got me beat because he's got them two little silver I got the silver quarter. Nice. And you got that little piece of silver 1951. And it's gonna be, I believe, a D. Cool. Yeah, we should have came here this morning and picked around in here instead of gallivanting everywhere, but that's the only way you find stuff nowadays, you know. You gotta get out, you gotta look. Put the coil down and dig your beeps. Alright guys, anything else, I'll turn you back on. Here's that a mid-tone in the hole. Man, I'll show you what it is. Spoon edge. And it's gonna be silver plated. So I rubbed it and it became really, really shiny. See? And I rubbed it a little too much and it brought it down to the copper. And you can see in the bowl. Well, anything else, we'll turn you back on. Hey guys, hey, me and Jay wrapping up. And we'll show you what you got. This is Jay's all the time. He's got his buttons. He's got some Indians, some small cents. Got that cool anchor button. See if we can get it to zoom in a little better. It's upside down. There you go. He's got some tombacks. He got him a silver quarter and that little piece of silver chalet, whatever it is. We're not sure, but she's a silver. I think that's a little padlock. Either that or a midget heel. And then here's what we got. Got some saddle decoration, I believe. Nothing on it. And we got our silver. And we got some our Indian. A half a button. A full tom back. She shined right up. And then we got some junk jewelry. And then a padlock. And the key was like 10 feet away from it. And a silver plate. So, well, we're wet. We're gonna go get some Dunkin' Donuts, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.